Evaluation and satisfaction are processes involving sentences and specific truth assignments. In logic, we are sometimes more interested in the properties of sentences that hold across different truth assignments. In particular, sentential truth assignment imposes a classification of sentences in a language based on whether or not there are truth assignments that satisfy that sentence. A sentence is valid, for example, if and only if it is satisfied by every truth assignment. A sentence is unsatisfiable if and only if it is satisfied by no truth assignment. And a sentence is contingent if and only if there is some truth assignment that satisfies it and some truth assignment that falsifies it. It is frequently useful to group these classifications as shown here. A sentence is satisfiable if and only if it is either valid or contingent. That is, if and only if there is at least one truth assignment that satisfies it. A sentence is falsifiable if and only if it is either contingent or unsatisfiable. That is, if and only if there is at least one truth assignment that falsifies it. We can check whether a sentence is valid or contingent or unsatisfiable by evaluating it for all truth assignments. In the example here, we show that the sentence P implies Q or Q implies R is always true. In other words, it's valid. Looking at P implies Q, we note that it is true except when P is true and Q is false. Look, the sentence Q implies R is true except when Q is true and R is false. Combining these two, we see that the overall sentence is true whenever either of these components is true, and in this case we notice that it's true for every row of the table. Hence, the sentence is valid. There are many examples of validities. Some of them even have names. There's double negation, P if and only if not P. De Morgan's laws, which allow us to distribute negation over conjunction and disjunction. Implication introduction, implication distribution, and so forth. This exercise tests your understanding of these concepts by asking you to say whether various sentences are valid, contingent, or unsatisfiable.